Hello my dear students, welcome to Damre Sir's YouTube channel. If you still not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe it. Myself, Mr. Rohit Suresh Damre. I am working as an assistant teacher in Sundarbai Marathi Vidyalay, Kharadi, Pune 14. Today we are going to learn about Standard 9th subject Science and Technology, chapter number 2, that is Work and Energy. In this chapter we are going to study different concepts like work, energy, mechanical energy, law of conservation of energy and free fall. So let's learn one by one the first topic from this chapter, that is work. What is work? Work is said to be done when a force applied on object causes displacement of that object. That is, work is equals to force into displacement. So work is whenever there is a change in the position of object due to the applied force. That is nothing but the work. Now the unit of work. What is unit of work? Work is equals to force into displacement. In SI system, the unit of force is Newton and the unit of displacement is meter. Thus 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton into 1 meter. That is 1 J is equals to 1 N into 1 M. In CGS system, the unit of work is 1 erg is equals to 1 dyne into 1 centimeter. So the relationship between the joule and erg is 1 joule is equals to 10 raised to 7 ergs. The next concept is the different types of works. There are 3 types of work, that is positive work, negative work and zero work. Let's study one by one. The first type of work is positive work. When the force and the displacement are in same direction, the work done by the force is said to be positive. That is, whenever the direction of force and displacement are in same direction, the applied force and the displacement take place in the object, they are same in direction, then that work is said to be positive work. The second type, that is negative work. When the force and displacement are in opposite direction, the work done by the force is said to be negative work. The third type, that is zero work. When the applied force does not cause any displacement or when the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, the work done by the force is said to be zero work. That is, when the direction of force and displacement, they are perpendicular to each other, that work is zero work. So this is a 3-mark question in your exams. The next concept is energy. What is energy? Energy, it is nothing but the capacity of a body to perform work is called energy. That is the capacity of a body to do work. The unit of work and energy are same. In the unit in SI system is joule, while in CGS system the unit of energy is erg. You must know the different types of energies like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electromagnetic energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy and solar energy. So out of these we are going to study about the 2 types, that is kinetic energy and potential energy. The energy which an object has because of its motion is called kinetic energy. The work done by a force to displace a stationary object through a distance s, the kinetic energy gained by the object. So kinetic energy is equals to work done on the object. The formula for the kinetic energy is Ke, that is kinetic energy, is equals to force into displacement, and the Ke is equals to half of mv square. It is the formula for kinetic energy. The next concept, the next type of energy is potential energy. The energy stored in an object because of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. So the energy which is gained by the object due to its specific state or position, that is called potential energy. The formula for potential energy is Pe is equals to mgh. M is mass of the body or object, g is the gravitational force, and the h is the height. The next concept, that is law of conservation of energy. So what is law of conservation of energy? The energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be converted from one form into another form. Thus the total amount of energy in the universe remains constant. So this is a law of conservation of energy. It is of 2 mark question in your exams. The next concept is free fall. Free fall. What is free fall? An object falling solely under the influence of gravitational force only is said to be in free fall or to be falling freely. So free fall means whenever any object is falling only due to the gravitational force, only due to the gravitational force, that is known as free fall. The next concept is power. What is power? So power, it is the rate at which work is done. So the rate of doing work is nothing but the power. So the power is equals to work upon time. The formula in symbolic form we can write the power P is equals to W upon T. In SI system the unit of power is watt. 1 joule is equals to 1 watt is equals to 1 joule upon 1 seconds. 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watts. 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watt. 1000 joule work performed in 1 second is nothing but the 1 kilowatt power. So 1 kWh kilowatt hour is equals to 1 kW kilowatt into 1 hour. Therefore 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1000 watt into 3600 seconds. Therefore 1 kWh is equals to 36 lakh joule. Therefore 1 kWh is equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule, which is nothing but 1 unit. So you may have seen your electricity bill of your home, it is in units. So 1 unit is equals to 1 kilowatt hour. If you really like my video, then please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to comment on my videos and share my videos. Thank you very much.